Hey guys, welcome back. Today we've got a homebrew tasting, not one of my own, but we've got a fantastic sounding beer to try from my good mate Carl. This is an Imperial Stout which Carl bottled on the 28th of August, so about 5 months ago, clocking in at 9%, so on a nice little 330ml bottle. And the recipe is from this book here, the Brew Your Own Big Book of Clone Recipes, over 300 recipes from your favourite brewers. Fantastic book if you're ever looking for a new recipe book to add to your library. I can highly recommend this one. So Carl has done this recipe here. It's the Speakeasy Ales and Lagers Scarface Imperial Stout. There it is there, page 129. So what I'll do is I'll pour up the beer and we'll quickly run through the ingredients before we dive into it. So I've been looking forward to this. Sorry it's taken me a while, Carl. So I've had it out of the fridge for about 45 minutes just to let it sort of come to room temperature. A little hiss there, not too much, which is good. Don't want, Imperial Stouts are usually pretty lowly carbed. So pouring out very nicely indeed. Try and keep the yeast in the bottom. So yeah, there it is there, looking absolutely fantastic, jet black. I can smell it from here. Hopefully you can see that, nice colour, holding a nice ring of head on the top, sort of tan colour. So yeah, before we dive into it, I'll just quickly run through the recipe. So yes, the Scarface Imperial Stout from Speakeasy Ales and Lagers. So the bulk of it is two row pale malt, then Wyman Carahel malt, some flaked oats, some Simpson's dark crystal. Then it says to use Patagonia Perla Negra malt. Now Carl swapped that out for Carafa 1. And then roasted barley, hopped with Columbus and Magnum. So yeah, bittered at 90 minutes Columbus hops, and then 0 minutes Magnum. And then I'm not 100% what yeast Carl used, but if I'll find out and I'll put it in the video description. So yeah, sounds very nice indeed. IBU's targeted at 50. Like I said, it's 9.9%. Yeah, started at 1087 and should get down to 1022. So yeah, there it is there. We'll get a beautiful aroma on that, Carl. You can smell the alcohol on the top, and then you've got real rich malt aroma. Oh, that's good. I'll just have a quick squiz at the malts again. Yeah, so it's got Carahel, Carafa 1 roasted barley. Yeah, it's got a slight sort of smokiness to it. Yeah, those real dark roasted malts are coming through really well on the nose. Getting some like dark fruit as well. It smells really good, Carl. Well, I'm not going to waste any more time. We'll go in for a taste. Oh, that's nice. Once again, you're getting those sort of rich roasted malt flavour, or roasted malts coming through in the flavour. Getting like almost like a bit of licorice as well coming through. Yeah, that little bit of sort of a slightly smoky edge, not much, just a hint. Very, very smooth. For 9%, it drinks very, very well. Having that 5 months in the bottle has just given the beer a chance, all the flavours to just to sort of meld together and just sort of mellow out, I guess you could say. Yeah, silky smooth. Yeah, definitely some dark fruit, maybe some like dark berry flavors coming through. It's almost going to say like a little, that smoke might, it's also coming through, maybe it's like a little bit of tobacco as well. Oh, that is very nice, Carl. Very, very smooth. Obviously a beer you want to sip and enjoy, over the course of say an hour or so. I'm glad I let it warm up rather than trying to drink it straight from the fridge. That wouldn't have done it justice at all. Slightly sort of woody sort of notes as well. So yeah, sort of woody, tobacco, licorice, touch of smoke, maybe hints of like burnt caramel in a good way. Since they sort of like almost a little bit molasses type flavour coming through. I know there's no molasses in there, or I don't think there is. But that is really nice, Carl. Carl said to me he's going to keep a few more of these aside and just let them age right through to winter, our time. So that's still another sort of 5 or 6 months ago. At that stage they'll be getting on for a year old. So yeah, very nice indeed. Thank you, Carl. Sorry again it's taken me so long. Real pleasure to enjoy your beer. I'll stop the video and I'll go inside and enjoy the rest of it. A quick side note, my my Nectar on Brute beer, I'm looking to keg that this weekend, so hopefully sometime next week I'll do a tasting video of that. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned. Otherwise, enjoy the rest of your weekend, drink good beer like this one from Carl, and we'll catch you next time. Over and out. Cheers.